Hello and welcome. I'm Essay, your guide on this exciting journey of discovery. We're setting off on an adventure that will take us beyond the usual ideas about the world and into the vastness of space and our inner thoughts. This is an opportunity to explore not just the stars in the galaxy above us, but also the depths of our own minds and spirits. As we venture forth, we'll reflect on our place among the stars, the sacred and the grand stories that shape our reality. Let's look up, look within, and start this extraordinary exploration together. Religions all over the world tell us different things about what's holy and special. I think it's really interesting to talk about how what we believe shows what we feel inside. We're going to talk about how big religions affect what we think is sacred and how this matches our own thoughts and feelings. It's cool to see how different people have their own ways of showing what's holy to them, and it says a lot about what's going on inside their hearts and minds. We're going to look at these ideas because it helps us understand not just what people do to show their faith, but also how it fits with what we think and feel deep down. This chat is about seeing the connection between our inner life and how we live out our beliefs. Stories can teach us to get us thinking about big things. Now imagine stories about creatures living in space. These stories can make us think about life and who we are in new ways. They can tell us about exciting adventures and strange new places, making us curious about the stars and space. They make us wonder about our own lives and dreams and what it means to be a person in a huge universe. These space stories are fun to listen to, but they make us think about ourselves and everything around us. What if our stories focused on spectacular beings in the cosmos? How might these narratives reflect our own potential? This question nudges us to explore the fascinating possibility of cosmic narratives serving as mirrors to our own capabilities and aspirations. Stories of incredible beings and their adventures among the stars offers us a unique lens to view our potential, highlighting the boundless nature of human creativity, resilience, and the quest for knowledge. By engaging with tales that stretch the limits of the imagination, we're invited to reconsider our own boundaries and what we're capable of achieving. These narratives not only entertain but also inspire by suggesting that greatness we attribute to these cosmic beings may also lie dormant within us, waiting to be awakened and explored. These cosmic narratives serve as mirrors, reflecting back on us and offering insights into our own lives. It speaks to the profound impact that stories of the cosmos and its inhabitants have on our self-perception and understanding. Through the grand tales of celestial beings and cosmic adventures, we're invited to see aspects of our own existence mirrored in the vastness of space. Challenges, triumphs, exploration, and the quest for knowledge. These narratives encourage us to look inward, prompting reflections on our own strengths, weaknesses, aspirations, and place in the universe. By engaging with these cosmic stories, we not only entertain our imaginations, but also embark on a journey of self-discovery, finding within them metaphors and lessons that resonate with our personal experiences and struggles, thus illuminating paths to growth and self-awareness. Hindu cosmology presents a universe that is cyclically created and destroyed. Central to this view is the concept of Brahman, the eternal, unchanging cosmic spirit. The universe, seen as coming from Brahman, goes through cycles of creation, preservation, and destruction, led by the trinity of gods, Brahma the creator, Vishnu the preserver, and Shiva the destroyer. This narrative emphasizes the endless cycles of the cosmos, reflecting deep philosophical insights into the nature of existence and the universe's infinite expanses. In Norse mythology, the cosmos is structured around Yggdrasil, the world tree, connecting 9 worlds, including Asgard, the home of the gods, and Midgard, the human world. This immense ash tree symbolizes the cosmos' interconnectedness, with its roots and branches reaching into various realms. Norse cosmology tells of a world born from the void and fated to end in Ragnarok, a great battle after which a new world will arise. This narrative captures the Norse view of the dynamic universe filled with life and death and rebirth. Indigenous Australian cultures describe the cosmos through Dreamtime stories, where ancestral beings traverse the earth, creating life and shaping landscapes. These stories, known as songlines, are not only tales but paths across the land, mapping the creation of the world and connecting people to it. Dreamtime narratives offer a unique perspective on the cosmos, where the earth and sky are intertwined with the spiritual journeys of ancestral beings, highlighting a deep connection between humanity and the earth and the cosmos. Think of the universe as a magic show that started with a bang, the Big Bang, 13.8 billion years ago, when everything we know was squished into a dot smaller than a speck of dust. Suddenly, it expanded, blowing up like a giant balloon, creating space and everything in it. As it got bigger, things cooled down, allowing tiny particles to join hands and dance into atoms, stars, and galaxies. Stars, acting like cosmic chefs, cooked up all the elements that make up the world, from gold to oxygen. Einstein's idea that space is like a stretchy fabric that bends with weight helps us understand why planets don't just float off but stay in orbit, all while the universe keeps stretching out, driven by a mysterious push right after it began making space even bigger. It's like a never-ending story where everything is connected, from the tiniest atom to the vastness of galaxies, in a dance choreographed by the laws of physics. When we learn more about the big wide space we live in, it makes us think about some big questions, like how did everything start? Is there more than one universe? What makes everything move and change? These questions make us wonder about why we are here, if we are just a tiny part of something huge, and if everything happens for a reason or just by chance. It's like looking up at the stars and wondering if someone else is looking back. The more we find out about space, the more we start to think about these big ideas. How significant are we in the vastness of the universe? The immense scale of space, filled with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars and planets, puts into perspective our own place. It invites us to reflect on our significance and purpose within this vast cosmic arena. What does it mean to be conscious in a universe governed by physical laws? Our awareness and ability to experience and understand the world around us remain one of the greatest mysteries. This slide encourages reflection on the nature of consciousness and its place in the fabric of reality. What does it mean to be conscious in a universe governed by physical laws? Our awareness and ability to experience and understand the world around us remain one of the greatest mysteries. This slide encourages reflection on the nature of consciousness and its place in the fabric of reality. What is reality? The more we learn about the universe and its complexities, the more we question the very nature of existence. Are we experiencing the universe as it truly is, or is there more to reality than meets the eye? This slide prompts us to ponder the layers and truths of our existence. Open dialogue means having conversations where everyone's thoughts are heard and considered important. It's like when friends talk and listen to each other. Everyone learns more and gets along better. This helps us all understand big ideas, like our world and space, in a better way. It's like putting together a big puzzle. We need all the pieces from everyone to see the full picture. When we share and use all our ideas, it helps us think bigger and learn from each other. Thinking hard and feeling deep inside can work together when we're trying to figure out big questions. Thinking hard helps us ask questions and look for real proof. Feeling deep inside gives us a way to connect with the world that's not just about stuff we can touch. When we use both, we can get a really good way to understand the world. It's like using both your head and your heart to see the whole picture of a big mystery. This way, we can be smart and still wonder about the amazing things in life, like the stars in the sky. Encouraging ongoing exploration and maintaining an openness to learning are crucial attitudes in the realms of spiritual and cosmic inquiries. These attitudes foster a perpetual journey of discovery, where each question leads to a deeper understanding and more profound questions. By embracing the vastness of what we do not yet understand, we cultivate a sense of humility and wonder that propels our search for knowledge and truth. This openness not only enriches our personal growth, but also connects us with a broader tapestry of human inquiry across cultures and epochs. It reminds us that the journey towards understanding the cosmos and our spiritual nature is an evolving process, one that is enriched by diverse perspectives and the continuous expansion of our intellectual and experiential horizons. The resources for exploration are, number one, Stephen Hawking. His book called A Brief History of Time is one of the most standout books of 1988. It masterfully bridges a gap between complex astrophysical theories and the curiosity of the general public. Hawking's lucid exposition on the nature of the universe, from the Big Bang to black holes, not only demystifies space and time, but also invites readers to ponder the very fabric of reality. This book, celebrated for making the cosmos accessible to millions, serves as a testament to Hawking's genius in conveying the mysteries of the universe in a way that is both engaging and profoundly illuminating. Through his work, Hawking has not just educated, but also inspired a deeper appreciation for the universe's wonders, making A Brief History in Time an essential read for anyone intrigued by the vastness of the cosmos and our place within it. Another book on this topic is Cosmos by Carl Sagan, and it stands as a monumental achievement in popular science literature, seamlessly weaving together the grandeur of the universe with the quest for human understanding and exploration. Published in 1980, Sagan's masterful narrative takes readers on a journey through space and time, from the ancient library of Alexandria to the outer edges of the known universe, highlighting the interconnectedness of the cosmos and humanity's place within it. His passion for educating the public about the wonders of the universe shines through each page, making complex scientific concepts both accessible and enthralling. With his visionary insight into the possibilities of space exploration and a profound message about the need for stewardship of our home planet, Cosmos has inspired generations of scientists, thinkers, and dreamers, cementing its place as a classic of science literature and a cornerstone for anyone captivated by the mystery and beauty of the stars. The Tao of Physics by Fritjof Capra, first published in 1975, is a pioneering work that explores the fascinating parallels between modern physics and Eastern mysticism. Capra, a physicist himself, delves into how quantum physics and principles of relaxivity echo the ancient philosophies found in Hinduism, Buddhism, and Taoism. The book posits that both science and spirituality seek to understand the same fundamental nature of reality, albeit through different lenses. Capra's insightful comparisons aim to bridge the perceived gap between the scientific and spiritual worlds, suggesting that at a quantum level, the division between the observer and the observed, a key concept in Eastern mysticism, is also present in the behavior of subatomic particles. The Tao of Physics has been instrumental in fostering a dialogue between the disciples of science and spirituality, encouraging a holistic view of the universe that integrates the analytical with the intuitive. Its thought-provoking analysis makes it a seminal text for those interested in the interplay between science and a deeper spiritual truth, offering a compelling argument for a unified understanding of the cosmos.